everyone, welcome to Blessed Fortunes. My name is Neha and today we are performing a general career reading for the year 2020 and our focus zodiac for today is Gemini. So if you or someone close to you belongs to Gemini zodiac, this reading might be useful. Gemini are easygoing and adjustable people, typically enthusiastic and social beings. They are also quite versatile and funny people. I have already drawn these 7 cards for your career or business reading. We are performing a horseshoe spread to see how your career will shape in a year's time. So this is your past card. This will depict your present. This one will show your near future, your present state of mind, your external influences, your hopes and fears, and this is your long-term future. So let's start the reading. In your recent past, this card, 8 of Cups, shows a desire to shift. You wanted to work for another project, or some of you were also looking for complete career change. For those who were in business, they were looking for a new innovation or ideas that your business may be competitive. In your present, this card, Queen of Wands, is a very positive card in a business or a career reading. It depicts that you are quite focused at present. You are quite creative, intelligent, and you know your work very well. If you are in a business, you know the in and out of your business. You have the qualities to make profits by even very less efforts. Your present state of mind, this card, 9 of Swords, depicts that you are thinking a lot about your business. All you think is work and only work. This is causing anxiety. This is also a warning card. Do not take large loans or make any major monthly commitment. It may be very difficult for some of you to pay back. In your short-term future, this card, 3 of Swords, shows that you are letting your personal life get in the way of your job. You are unable to keep your work and personal life separate. For some people, this may lead to failure in plans and it will make you upset. Your external influences, the 3 of Wands. This card depicts teamwork. You have to work completely in a team setup to accomplish your goals. For some of you, it also depicts better opportunities abroad. If you are into business, you may need to be open to international trade. So you can start reaching out people abroad through social media. This will help you achieve what you want. Your hopes and fear card, the 5 of Cups in a career reading states that some of you are scared of losing your job. Some of you who are in business, you are also scared that your business may collapse. For some, you are not sure about your plan, whether your plan will work out or not. Just a small suggestion here, do not let your anger or frustration overpower you. In your long-term future, this card, Page of Cups, shows for some of you who were looking for a job will get a good job. You will get good opportunities in a year's time, but for that you need to start making efforts now. For those in a business also, you will just start making efforts now. Just focus on your work and stop overthinking. For some of you, you need to learn to manage money matters well. So overall, they are a good set of cards in a career reading. To summarize, initially you had a desire to shift. Presently, you are now in a quite focused state of mind and determined and smart. I can also see you should not think of taking loans or anything as such. Do not make major commitments. You might be upset because of this. You might face a lot of anxiety because of this. Just try to be careful. In your upcoming future, you need to keep your personal and professional life separate, else you will be upset. For some of you, you will be upset here because your plans may not work out. This card depicts teamwork and better opportunities abroad and international trade for people in business. You need to be very, very cautious. Don't worry about losing your job. Just work properly. You are also scared that your business may collapse. You are also scared that your plans may not work. So just don't worry. Do not let your anger or frustration overpower you. Just work as it is. In your future, this card, Page of Cups, depicts a very good future. You will get opportunities, you will get good options in money matters, you will get good investment opportunities. Your business will also grow. Just stop overthinking, start acting on it, start acting on your plan, and learn to manage your money matters well. So with this, we have reached the end of the session. Thank you for joining, and I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.